let's unbox my 6 years of sobriety bracelet with me. I'm so excited for this one. I'm gonna yap for a little bit while I unbox, but if you guys have been following me for a while, you know that I am sober. I've been sober for 6 years, and every year I get myself a piece of jewelry as an expensive reminder that I can look at every day, and also as an expensive reward to appreciate what I've done. I get one every year. This was for 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, 4 years is my necklace. This magic long one, although originally it was this one. And then 5 years is this 5 motif vintage. So obviously for 6 years, I thought it only fitting to get, you know, a 6 motif. Sidebar, I'll do a separate video about this, but Van Cleef, in my personal opinion, is one of the best luxury experiences. They take such good care of you. The staff, the experience, all of it, 10 out of 10. Probably do a separate video on that, okay? I was very lucky to get a box. Usually they don't boxes anymore. I'm gonna do all the accoutrements it comes with. I know you guys don't want to see any of that, but too bad. Your receipt comes nicely folded in this little envelope. Care booklet, the care, and then the authenticity, certificate of authenticity. And again, so good to me. They gave me home, like, this is nothing but chocolates, a ton of chocolates. I wore it out of the store, so there's actually nothing in here. They just boxed it up for me, super nice. And like, my sales associate wasn't even there, so the manager sat with me for an hour and a half and chatted. No matter what you get, big or small, they treat you the same. It's really great. And they knew how important this was for me. They knew how big of a milestone this was for me, so they worked extra hard to get it. I had ordered it in, I think, September of last year, and I said I wanted it by January 1st, and it hadn't come in. I reminded them, and then they pushed, because no stock had come in from Paris. They pushed to get it, and they got it a week later. Unfortunately, I was in Paris, and then I was traveling, and then it was Vegas and blah, 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 so I didn't pick it up until a couple weeks later. They got it for me right away. And I wanted to get the 6 for 6, obviously. 6 motif only comes in rose gold and white gold with diamonds, and you know me, right? So I went with the, ready for it? The 6 motif sweet alhambra bracelet. So it's in the sweet size, it's a little smaller. I actually kind of really like, it's gonna give it kind of that textured layer against this. It is a little short. I'm gonna have to take it back to resize it, but I told them I wanted to just try it on and wear it for a little bit just to like celebrate. It's a little tight, and even though I've gotten better about this, it's still sometimes kind of hard to get it because I think it's 17 centimeters, whereas the regular standard size for the 5 motif vintage is 18 or 19. So I'm gonna get it extended and resized a little bigger. You have a year to do that, to add 2 inches or take 2 inches away or whatever, resize it for free. You do on necklaces too. You can lengthen them, shorten them. You can see, I don't know if you can see, but the gold is kind of different because they're both rose gold, but this fades over time and dulls. So this is a little more pink. I remember, if you guys remember when I got this, it was so pink. But see, now it can again, I like do this little layering look where you got small, big, kind of like their other bracelets or their watches, or there's some bracelets with like different size ones, which I kind of like, and kind of layer like that. Yeah, I'm very happy. I'm very lucky. I'm very grateful. I feel very blessed that I'm able to get these kinds of gifts for myself, to appreciate, to reward myself for this journey. And I appreciate you guys for being supportive and loving of that, and allowing me to be vulnerable and talk about it on here, because I feel like, you know, a lot of people aren't so open about that, and they're a little ashamed or like, you know, embarrassed or feel less than or like not normal. But yeah, anyway, that's my 6 years. I'm so happy. Love you guys. All right, I'll see you in the next one.